Here's a Cadillac to take a look at. 2001 Cadillac Eldorado ESC. This particular vehicle, a little over 50,000 miles, 52,745 I believe it was. It's a two-owner car, clean Carfax. Carfax does not indicate any accidents, confirms mileage. As you can see, sterling in color, would have been what Cadillac called this in '01, with the gray leather interior, bucket seats. Let's take a look at the front of this car. You can see as far as paint, grille, front fascia, pretty much chip free as far as rock chips, anything like that. You may have find a few on there, but again, for an '01, 54,000 on it. Paint shows very well on this car, and again, Carfax does not indicate any sort of accidents. I have not noticed any paint work. Now, if you would like to check out the stow pictures so you can see it for yourself all the way around, there's over 100 pictures, I would guess, right in that area of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Had a few of these models in the past. Do seem to sell rather quickly. Riding on the chrome wheels, brand new tires, less than 100 miles on them, put on within the last month. One thing our text did mention, passenger side window was in-op, and just want to pass that along to you. Now, as far as the top, it's kind of a heather gray, nice looking top on that. And then it does have a little bit of accent as far as pinstriping added, which kind of sets off with that top. Now, as far as down below, you can see they had the Cadillac rock guards added, which has helped as far as with any sort of chipping along the bottom of the car. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This car would have the 4.6 liter V8 in it. That is paired with an automatic with overdrive. Cars go down the road very nicely. These things were over 40 grand brand new back in '01. Not a cheap car by any means. Take a look up and down the driver's side of this. Same thing. I do not see much for dings, scratches, chips, anything like that on the passenger side here either. Getting having those rock guards on definitely helps that, or is kicking up anything that's going to chip it. Or of course, this would be power steering, power brakes, AC, climate control, power seats, power windows, power mirrors, all the amenities that you were going to get in an '01 Cadillac. Take a look at the seat. You have a few wrinkles from the way leather wears, and that's just like it's going to wear in a leather shoe or leather coat. I kind of get that natural wrinkle to the hide, what you'd expect. Let's go ahead and start this up. I'll check the exact miles for you. We'll take a look under the hood. Alright, first of all, so you'd have AM, FM cassette, little driver's information center up here. Again, climate control, electronic climate control, dash. Also in nice shape. Alright, here's miles on it, 52,745. This flashing light is just seatbelt. Other than that, you can see there's no warning indicators, anything like that. No service engine, anything like that. So all looking good there on the dash. Of course, this would have steering wheel controls for your fan and temperature, and on this side it's going to be radio. Kind of cool for an '01. Headliner in this car, good shape. Keep the glare out there for you. Sorry about that. Alright, so around behind this very quiet running V8. Everything I've noticed about it as far as engine, exhaust, anything like that, all stock, nothing's been changed. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood, check out that engine bay, take a look at the 4.6 on it.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There. Here's the engine bay. Now, one of the things we've seen in these videos I've pointed out before, lots of times you take a look at these bolts and see if there's been sockets on them. That's one indication. Maybe a fender was off, something was fixed. On these, nothing indicating any sockets been on that. And again, clean Carfax. Runs and sounds the way you'd expect. (2001) Cadillac Eldorado ESC. A little over 50,000 miles on it. 2-owner car, clean Carfax. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.